Greeting. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can use the replace feature right here in Microsoft Word document here. Somebody might not understand or know what is this replace feature I'm actually talking about, right? The replace feature I'm talking about. So for instance, now an example like I have right here document. For instance, I want to change this stuff. All of these Word that Mark document. There's a way in which I can do it by using the replace feature. We don't have to backspace it or delete it. So the first thing that I want to do in order for me to change it, I'm going to come up here. Notice up here, say tab, we're going to click right here on home. When you click on home, you're going to travel all the way over here. Notice you see the word editing, right? So you're going to click right here. Notice the replace. You're going to click it right here. Notice you bring up this little dialog box here. So notice I can actually move it over the up and down. I can actually move it up and down just like that. Right, and if you notice, I say find, replace, I say find what, right, and then say replace it with, you notice I have more option right here, replace all, and next and cancel. So our aim is to remove the document right here. I'm going to replace it with program. All right, so I'm going to type it right here, right, type in the document here. I'm going to type document right here. Then you want to replace it now. You're going to click right here with the word program. Just like that. But bears in mind, I want to change all the word document. I notice this is one. This is one right here. I want to change all of them. So notice right here, it's a replace all. If it's on one, you can actually click this one. But I'm going to replace all. The word program, I'm going to click this. Right, you notice it's all done. Right, and if I come like that, I'm going to close it. And I'm going to bring up my document and see exactly what's going on right here. You notice right here, it changed the program. Right, so all of them change the program. Very important, right? And if you notice the other video here and video here. All right, let me try that with this one video here. We're going to click it right here again. And then we're going to type the word video in it. Right, and we're going to click right here. So we're going to move this one. Right, so I'm going to put right here, so program provider powerful, or I can put a picture. I'm going to put the word picture instead of video, right? Just like that. I'm going to replace all. Good. If you notice, let me close this, go all the way back up. And if you notice at the beginning right here, realize it changed. Notice it changed right down here. So that is one of the way you can actually use the replace feature. So very important. So what if you actually make a mistake right here? So for instance, it should have been photo instead of video. It should have been photo instead of picture. You notice all of them actually have it. So in order for you to do that, you just simply click on home, click on replace feature right here. Right, I'm going to move the word video and I'm going to put photo. Now I'm going to put picture first here. And then I'm going to come right here and put video. Not video, photo. Right, so I'm going to put photo there. I'm going to replace all. You notice I'm going to actually close all of these and go right back up with it, just like that. And if you notice, it's change and all that. So very important. So this is one of the way you can actually use replace feature right here in Microsoft Word here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.